Hello and welcome to Drawing with Daisy. Today we are going to be drawing a reindeer for the Christmas season. So to start out, of course, if I draw a portrait, which this will be today, I like to start out with a nice circle, square, whichever one. And then with animals, I do like to start off with the muzzle. So for reindeers, they kind of have the same muzzle as a cow. So I'll start with their top muzzle and turn it into a cute little smile. And then I will do the nose, which will bridge all the way almost across the muzzle. And we'll give it little nose holes and basically make it look like it has a cow nose. And then we'll do the bottom, which is just a curve and then a line upward. And then of course, I like my reindeer to be a little bit on the fluffier side. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some cheek fluff to my reindeer. And then we can start on the horns. So for the horns, I like to do a line going upward, a line going out, and then a line all the way over here. And then I'll bring it back just like that. And then I'll do another one over here, which is a little less in depth. They do not have to be symmetrical. And since this is from a profile side, I decided to do it this way so that it just makes it easier to look at the profile. And then of course, we're gonna add some more fluff at the top of the head and the ears, which I like to do at a downward angle, just like that. And of course on this side, it will look a little different because there is it's just from perspective. All right, and now I'm gonna go ahead and add some markers, like just to mark out where everything is on the face. And I will start doing the eyes. Now for the eyes, I do just a rainbow shape, and then I come down with a slight curve. And then we'll do that again on this side, but extend it and make it a little bigger. That way you get the perspective from it looking at more or less of like an angle. After that, I'm gonna go through and just define a couple of my things. That way I can add some details later and really know where my stuff is. All right, after that, I'm gonna add a little more detail to the eyes, which I will do by darkening the top and bringing it down and out. I make a little bit of a triangular shape at the bottom to kind of give the eyes a little bit more definition. Just like that. And then we'll do it on this side as well. All right, after that, we're gonna add some eyelids for some expression, which are just two simple curves, almost like half rainbows. And then we will start on the insides of our eyes. I will start with the iris, which of course this reindeer is a little more cartoony, so we're gonna have a bigger iris. And then the pupil, which I don't like doing normal pupils. You can do normal pupils, but I like to give them a little bit of a star, just to make it more or less Christmassy. And then of course, from this perspective, you only get like the half of the star because of the way the face is angled. After that, we can go in and define our iris and our pupils. I like to leave the star white, and then I go in with a darker, I put more pressure on the pencil to make it darker at the top, and then I go down and make it lighter. And I'll do the same on this side. And then I'll also add some shading to just the whites of the eye. After that, I'll add a little bit more definition to the eyes, and then they should be done. Okay. Now we're going to start out with the, I'd like to define the bridge of the nose to make it look more like, you know, the bridge is there. That way it doesn't look entirely flat. And then I'll do that and add some shading to the top of the nose. And I'll put a line down the actual nose itself to give it more of a defining line. And then I'll darken the nose holes and bring them out a little bit to curve. After that, I'm going to start adding details, which is just adding a little bit of just defining lines, giving little defining marks, anything like that. You can do stars. I like to do dots like freckles, just to really customize the whole. And then I like to make the lip protrude a little bit just to give it more or less of an expression. And then I'll go in and define different parts, just like that. And then I'll add the inside of the ear and some fluff going outside of it, just like so. Then of course I'm just going in and darkening different sides in different places on the face so that I can start shading and know where everything is. Okay, so after that, I am going to start shading. So since the angle is facing away from the left side, which this is my left, I don't know if it's your left too, but the side facing away, I like to add a little bit of shading on the ear, and then I like to shade under and under the eyes a little bit, and under the chin, and then I'll give my reindeer some nice cheek fluff, or not cheek fluff, neck fluff, and then I'll do a little bit more shading. And our reindeer is done.